Hey, what's up guys? Alex here with a new video, and today we're going to be talking about the Canon EOS R5 with the Atomos Ninja V and how to prevent overheating. If you're a follower of the channel and you've been waiting for photo content, I promise it is coming. I'm just waiting for Lightroom to release full native support on the R5's files. If you've seen my previous editing videos, I take full advantage of Canon's profiles within Lightroom to edit my photos. And I want to make sure before I make any conclusions, I'm actually using Canon CR3 files and not converted DNGs using beta software. So it's coming, I promise. With that being said, let's get started. When the R5 came out, there was tons of news and reports that the camera overheated in 8K modes, 8K RAW, and even 4K HQ, which is a downsampled image. I believe it's shooting a 8K downsample to 4K, and the camera still overheated, and that's been a huge bummer for people who wanted to use this mode. Last week, a YouTuber reported a workaround that prevented the camera from overheating and allowed you to record in 4K HQ for over 4 hours. When I saw this article in Canon Rumors, I honestly thought it was just fluff and decided to try it out myself. So the trick is removing the CF express card and removing the SD card from the camera before you start recording with the Atomos Ninja V. Now, when I started this test, I actually wasn't expecting it to work, so my Atomos Ninja V battery was probably a quarter of the way full, and that backfired on me. So after around 50 minutes of recording, my Atomos Ninja V died, and the camera was still going strong with no overheating symbol. I automatically popped in a new battery and kept recording, and R5 did not overheat, so I got to about an hour and 50 minutes before the Canon's battery died, which means this little trick of removing the cards from the camera worked. I was able to record a full hour and 50 minutes in 4K HQ mode, full frame, with the Atomos Ninja V without getting an overheating symbol. So that's great news, but definitely brings up a lot of questions. Is the heat coming from the cards causing the overheating? Is Canon putting limitations on the camera? From other tests, when the camera overheats, the camera isn't really that hot. But at this point, who knows? I wanted to make this video because this little trick works. If you remove the SD card and the CF express card and you have an Atomos Ninja V, you can record a very long time with a 4K HQ mode in full frame. So you're not really giving up anything. Another pro of this is that you're using SSDs. SSDs are significantly cheaper than CF express cards. As a matter of fact, if you were to look at recording an hour and 50 minutes with a CF express card, I don't think you could. You probably need a terabyte or 2 terabytes with the bit rate that the R5 is using. Also, the codecs the R5 is using are extremely difficult to edit with any computer right now, even super expensive Mac Pros. So with the Atomos Ninja V, not only do you get, I'm gonna say this, practically unlimited 4K HQ recording in full frame, you get cheaper media, so you can put in a terabyte, 2 terabyte SSD drives in there, and you're getting a better codec with ProRes. So I use ProRes HQ. With ProRes, I can drop that file into my iMac, which is very decently spec'd, and it has zero issues loading it, editing it, anything. So I think if you're using the Canon EOS R5, it is a worthy investment to add the Atomos Ninja V to improve your workflow, to avoid overheating, and to have cheaper media. Overall, hopefully you like this quick video. I'm actually filming it with the Atomos Ninja V in 4K HQ. If you like the image quality, let me know in the comments below. But as always, guys, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one, guys. Peace.